I'm about to cross over $10,000 in lifetime field agent earnings. And in this video, I'm going to share with you if it was worth it. How long did it take me to get to $10,000 in lifetime earnings? Honestly, almost a decade. I started searching for side hustle apps, downloading every ones that I could find back in like 2017, maybe 2018. And I've been using this app since then. And it was actually much better, much higher paying, a lot less competition, and a lot more gigs available back then. But now it is still one of my most profitable side hustle apps. It didn't take me a year to make that. It didn't take me a month to make the 10,000. It took me basically a decade. So when I first downloaded it, I used to do it a lot. The gigs paid higher, and I made a couple of thousand in the first couple of years. And then the other earnings was when I was in between jobs, or a lot of jobs that I had, I would just do field agent gigs if they were on my route. Every 9 to 5 job I had was like driving a truck or doing like HVAC or something like that. And actually, on my last job that I had, I was actually let go for doing gigs on the clock. So I've been doing this on and off for a while. And recently, this year is my highest earnings in 1 year. It's over $3,000, about $400 to $500 a month just from this app, which is pretty good. And the thing that I learned was, when you find a new way, a new side hustle, or just a new thing you want to start, a new way to make money, always ask yourself, how could you make it worth it, instead of saying, oh, that's not worth it, or that's a waste of time. Because yet, leaving your house to go do a $5 gig and coming back is a waste of time and not worth it. But if you multi-app with it, if you're already out, if you're passing by a place, then it's definitely worth it. So how many field agent gigs did I do to make $10,000? Honestly, it's kind of scary. From my estimates of about $5 a gig, it was probably over 2,000 individual gigs to make $10,000. So was it worth it to me? Yeah, because all of the time I was earning with field agent, I was doing other stuff, whether it was I was on the clock at a 9 to 5 job, or what I do now, which is doing it full time, is combining it with Uber Eats, combining it with DoorDash. So if there's no gigs on field agent, and then I can do deliveries. And then once I reserve gigs on field agent, then I go back to doing field agent. So is it worth it to start in 2026, or to keep going, or to even learn this skill? I definitely think so. It may seem scary because one of the biggest apps, Moby, just disappeared, but other apps are investing heavily in this type of work, and the data still needs to be recorded. So I believe this type of work will continue to go on for 10 more years from now, or even longer. I just did a DoorDash shelf scan, which was basically like a field agent gig, but through DoorDash. I just made a tutorial video on the newest high-paying side hustle app like field agent, which is Heddle. And that app I've been doing, there's a lot of high-paying gigs in my area, and this type of work keeps growing. But if you think that the $10,000 was easy, or it was in a month or 2 months or 3 months from field agent, it wasn't. It was a lot of work. And most of the people, most of my friends or family that I tried to get them to do field agent, they did 1 or 2 gigs, said it wasn't worth it, and stopped it. The biggest lessons that I learned is, just like with any other skill or anything you're going to try, like making a YouTube channel or doing field agent gigs, you just have to keep going. Because the first couple of times, the first couple of weeks I did this, it was definitely not worth it. It would take me a half an hour to do a $5 gig. It would take me an hour to do a $10 gig. Definitely not worth it. Really frustrating, getting asked to leave by stores, getting banned from stores, getting embarrassed. But now when I do them, the $3 to $5 ones, I could go in and out. I could take these pictures super fast. Just like with anything, it's a skill that you could develop. And after you do a lot of them, now it's like second nature, and you can just get in, take a picture of the shelves, and get out. So on this channel, I'm going to keep bringing you guys the newest side hustle apps, keep showing you guys how to do these gigs, how to get out there and actually make money. The reason I made this channel was for people to actually learn something and go and take action. So if you want to see my tutorial on my new favorite side hustle app, Heddle, check out this video over here.